ZD-X20S tutorial. Enter the processing interface, then enter the tool selection interface. There are 2 types of knives to choose from and sharpen. First, how to choose and mill. First, select the tool parameters, number of blade and diameter. For example, if it is currently a 4 blades and mill, then choose 4 blades. Select the diameter of the cutting tool. Optional means the scope in which machines can operate. After selecting the number of blades and the diameter, you need to confirm the following 3 parameters. Must choose conventional cutting tools, free knife fight, equal division. After confirming, the tool parameters are set. Then it's a round nose and mill. Select the number of blades and diameter. The method is the same. The round nose milling cutter has an additional R angle option. Choose the required optional R angle. The selection method for ball mills is the same as for end mills. Just choose the number of blades and diameter. The drill bit is relatively special. Can only choose 2 blades. The diameter should first select a range, and then set the specific diameter. For example, if diameter is 9.5, first choose 9 to 10. Fill in 9.5 here. The drilling angle should be filled in with the included angle of the drill bit. Chamfering cutters can only be chosen with R or Sun blades. Only the diameter allowed by the grinding machine. The selection method for the spot drill is the same as that for the chamfering tool. Can only choose R blades. The selection mode for core milling cutters and end milling cutters is the same. Special exception: usually, cutting tools are equal angle, equally divided tools. But if the angles between the blades are not equal, then a non-equally spaced tool should be chosen. If there are special requirements, custom settings can be made. But before customizing, you must first select the type of tool to be sharpened and the approximate parameters. After selecting, click Customize. Here you can customize the selected tool. Finally, we need to set the tool wear length. Represents how much length this knife will lose before being ground into shape. When there are multiple long edges, any long edge can face upwards. Insert the long edge facing up into the machine. The clamping length of the PD should be between 25毫米 and 35毫米. Then rotate the long blade 30 degrees to 45 degrees toward the person's direction. The end mill should be between 25 mm and 35 mm. The clamping length of other tools follows this table. After confirming that all parameters are correct, you can start.